good morning or good afternoon, depends on what time you see it during the day. But we're fortunate today to have some guests on our program to kind of share some information about what's going on in the community. And I've invited Elba Torres here with us today. She was with Community Action. Laura Garcia is here with us today as well. And Selena Zavala?
Yes.
She's here. You're the community outreach worker, am I correct?
Yes.
Well, today we're here today, citizens of Alice, to kind of discuss a really important program that they've come to share information with in reference to what we're doing with the expanded primary health care. Is that correct?
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Correct me if I'm wrong, guys,
No.
because y'all are the ones that are the experts, okay? And kind of look at some of the things on preventive and screening services for women and other things that y'all provide as far as services. So today, I'd like to visit with you guys and kind of tell us what we're doing. I know there's an event scheduled for February the 28th. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And it's going to be at the Merchants Building at 10 a.m., right?
Yes.
Can you kind of give us a little brief overview of what it is that you do there and why we are here today looking at information? Elva, who wants to go first?
Go ahead, Sam.
Well, we have a program called Expanding Primary Health Care,
Okay.
like you mentioned. So that program enables us to provide primary care services to women. So that includes family planning, annual visits, things of that nature. Yes, screenings as well. So one of the conditions of this program is that we put on a certain number of outreach activities. So
Okay.
we need to, get out in the public, let them know that we're there, make them aware of our services, and we have to service so many clients per quarter. So because of that, our program is hosting the this health fair, and it is going to be on the 28th. We have quite a bit of vendors that have signed up so far. We have over 50.
Oh, good.
And
good.
we are going to have several health screenings, free health screenings,
Okay.
and in addition to games, bingos, activities for families and kids.
So it's a real community event, and we involve the young adults and the older adults
And the children.
and the children. Right?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
We'll have
Yes.
face painting, games.
Now, y'all done this in the past, I think, at your office off of Liviana. Is that correct?
Yes.
And y'all have pretty good attendance out there, right?
Mhm.
I know that spaces are limited, but now that being at the Merchants Building is going to give you a little bit more opportunity to have some of that. So,
Right.
how many years have y'all been doing this? It's been a while, right?
Community Action has been around for over 20.
Oh, yeah.
25
But the health
years.
fairs, this is the second or third annual?
This is going to be the first health fair
Oh,
of
okay.
this nature,
Oh, okay.
and we're partnering with Alice ISD, so it is
Oh, good.
right. So we, it's going to be pretty big.
Okay.
I think that the health fairs that you're talking about are the National Health Center Week
Oh, that's right.
celebrations.
Okay.
So
I know we
those-
did some events out there, but I'm
Yes.
confusing those, but go ahead.
Yes.
Okay.
But again, those are health fairs.
Okay.
This one's just going to be a little bit different in that it's going to be a lot bigger. We're going to offer the free health screenings. We're going to have games and activities. And the major difference is we're going to have a large amount of space.
Okay. When we talk about free, we're talking about no copay, nothing to come with it. Just show up.
Right.
We're going to provide a service for you. And how important is it that we do these things? Because I know with the health and what's going on, it's an important thing that we get all these tests and all these things done early
Right.
in the event of, right? So how important is it that we do that at an early age so that we can, if there's any detection, we can catch it early on? That's a real big thing, right?
Yes, sir. That is the name of the game.
Okay.
Preventing. And
Okay.
the program, the Expanded Primary Health Care, enables us to find people with illnesses, diabetes, hypertension. It also provides family planning services
Oh, good.
for women 18 to 44 in the Expanded Primary Health Care.
Okay.
We want to prevent unintended pregnancies. We want to find patients that have diabetes, hypertension, so that they can have a longer, healthier life.
Okay.
And we think that it starts with the children.
Okay.
So we're involving our children. We're going to have face painting, games, prize bingos that will be free. We're going to have a toy walk for the children. We're going to try to we're having a plant walk as well. For
So there's
anyone
there's a lot of things to do, right?
Yes.
And how long will this last?
It's going to last from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Okay.
And this is This is the first health fair that we've had for this program, so
Okay.
we've been planning it for quite a while. We're very excited about it, and we're very proud of what we are going to be offering to the community.
Well, Community Action has been around a long time, like you said,
Yes, sir.
Elva, and they've done just a marvelous job of providing some really good things for the community, and mostly educational things too, because people are not aware of how many things are available for them, so that they can take
Yes.
advantage of this. So I strongly suggest that everyone participate, come out, and share some information that we can do this. Now, we talked a little bit earlier about is it only limited to Alice, or
No.
how expanded is this?
This is going to be open to the public, so
Okay.
this is going to be open to, Jim Wells, Duval, San Patricio,
Okay.
Clayburgh, Brooks.
Okay.
The surrounding counties, there's
Are
no
welcome.
limit as to who can come. There's no requirement, everybody's welcome regardless of age or income or, anything at all. And in addition to the health fair, we are going to be showcasing all of Community Action's programs. So that's going to include, you're going to come in and get some information or maybe some free health screenings, but you're also going to walk away with information about Head Start,
good.
weatherization programs, ECI. So, everything that we have, we're
Oh,
going to
very
offer.
good.
And in addition,
Mhm.
our Human Resources Department is going to be there. So they're going to have, they're going to let you know what jobs we have available.
Oh.
Maybe you'll walk away with,
Wow.
a job or at least submitting an application. So, like I said, we're very proud of what we've planned.
It's a catch-all,
Yes.
jobs,
Yes.
health fair, programs available
Mhm.
for anyone that might be interested, or in anything that's available. So,
Mhm.
an educational type of system, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
We
very
have
good.
home healths coming out. Like Selena said, we've partnered with Alice Independent School District.
Okay.
So we'll have ROTC is going to be there.
Yes.
All of the school activities that Dr. Everett has invited to come out and join us.
Yes, we're going to have a lot of volunteers from National Honor Society. We're going to have a lot of their clubs providing services as well. And one important thing that they're going to provide is security and transportation. So
Okay.
individuals who maybe don't have, a way to get out there,
Okay.
we are going to provide transportation from the stadium.
Oh, okay. Oh, good. That's a good thing. So, do y'all have scheduled times for that set up, or how does that?
If we don't just yet, but if we have anybody who's interested in receiving transportation, if they would call our office.
Okay. And that
that's-
number is?
It's 361-664-3171, extension 301.
Okay, good. So, call that number to kind of, then y'all give the schedule as to what's going to go on.
Yes.
So there'll be some transportation that will be shuttling these individuals to the merchant building as well.
Yes.
Oh, good, good. So the excuse of I couldn't get there is not going to work, right?
No.
Okay, good, good.
We have
good.
DJ going to be there all day,
Yes.
or from 10 to 2,
Okay.
and providing music.
Wow.
We have some entertainment coming out.
Okay.
We have door prizes, and lots of activities.
Lots of
and fun,
activities.
lots of
Yeah.
information.
And we've got one secret activity or one very special activity that's gonna prove to be a big hit. So
Okay. So
we
we're
don't
not going
want
to share
anybody-
what that is, so that
Nope.
we can get them out there.
Gotta
They
come
can.
out.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
yes.
We're going to do like the commercial guys that do like a teaser. You got to get out there to come see it, right?
Yes, yes.
So there's a special surprise. We don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, right?
Right.
So that'd be good. Well, listen, this sounds like a really great event, and again, for getting the information out and sharing this, and we invite everyone to come, not only in Alice, Texas, but the surrounding counties to participate and get a free opportunity to be able to look at your health and all kinds of different programs that are going to be available. So
Right.
I'm pretty excited for you guys, and I want to thank each and every one of you guys for coming and participating here today and getting this information out. It's scheduled for February the 28th, right? So we're asking everybody to come out. If we get really full, we're still going to be okay with that, right?
Right.
Yeah. And there's not going to be a fee at the gate where,
No.
so everything, it's free, absolutely free,
Completely
right?
free, yes.
Well, good. That sounds good. Anything else y'all want to add, or before y'all leave here today?
Just that our health center provides services to everyone. Not only, we're putting this on as a free event, but, our health center provides services to everyone. We accept, various types of payment methods, including health insurances,
Okay.
self-pay, and we do have a discount program. And programs such as Expanded Primary Health Care Center and the Breast and Cervical Cancer Services Program are vital to this community. So we
Yeah.
encourage everyone to take advantage of those.
And I know when it comes to diabetes and things like that, those are really big issues for Hispanic people, not only in Alice, Texas, but all South Texas, right? So
Right.
being able to get to those at an early stage is important so that we can control it or prevent it. As you get older, we get older, it's an issue, right? So
Yes, sir.
it's important that we catch these at an early age and to be able to do this. So, well, listen, this has been really great, and I'm so glad that you guys came by and had the opportunity to share with us what's going on. So I'd like to invite everyone out there. I know y'all would like to invite everyone
Yes,
out
sir.
there
Yes.
today to come on and have a good time,
Yes.
get some good information, and we can share what's going on in Alice, Texas, and provide the services that we need to and make Alice healthier. Does that sound right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good,
sir.
good. So that is what we're doing here today. Don't forget, February the 28th at 10 a.m. at the Merchants Building
Yes.
and the County Fairgrounds.
Yes, sir.
Any questions, call the number again, 361.
664-3171, extension 301.
Okay, so should be no reason why nobody goes, right?
Right,
Right.
right.
So
We want everyone to spring into good health with community action.
very good, very good. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Our guests here today are with us from Community Action. We want to thank you you to be here with us, and we appreciate your involvement. And come see us on February 28th. Thank you. Thank you, ladies. Appreciate it.
Thank you
Thank
for
you.
inviting us.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All the lights are coming on.